Papanoorin natin ang preliminary swimsuit performance ni Linery Montero Yodong representing Mountain Province for Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
Let's go!
Wow. She's confident
Grabe.
and she's just there to show her asset.
She rises with every step. Mountain Province. Linery Montero Yodong.
Di ba?
Ang gagaling na nila, no?
What I love about her is parang isa din siya sa mga queens na parang Kebs, bahala kayo dyan kung ano yung sasabihin nyo. Basta, I want to present myself. I feel like I needed to represent Mountain Province with all of my hearts. Kasi sobra din, grabe din mag-support yung Mountain Province sa kanya.
Yes.
Even nung nakita natin that night, iba talagang mag-support yung Mountain Province. Kaya, nandun na lang din siguro yung confidence, yung security niya whenever
Oo.
she comes out on the stage.
Yeah. Ayun nga yung napapansin, she's very natural. Yun, she doesn't have to, yung, alam mo yun, yung may papatunayan pa
I don't have
talaga.
to prove anything.
Yes.
Because I'm Linery. Parang ganon. Hey guys, and don't forget to visit the Maya app and claim your 1 free votes per day if you think and kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng spot si Mountain Province Linery for the grand finals of Miss Universe Philippines 2026.